Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Queenie from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start by drawing the first eye with a circle on the top right. Then let's hop down and let's draw the other eye on the bottom left. Now let's add another circle inside each eye. And then another one in the center. And color them in black. Then let's add one more inside on the top left. Lastly, for the eyes, let's draw the eyelashes with 3 angles down underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. On top of the right eye, let's draw a small angle up and a longer one on the left side. Then from each end, let's draw a curve in. And then one across in the center. Now let's hop down and let's continue the shape of the head. Underneath the right eye, let's continue the angle down and in. And a smaller one on the left. And let's close it off with a curve across. Now for the next section, let's draw a small bump down on each side. And another curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 lines down. And a curve across. Now again, from the sides, let's add 2 bumps down. And a curve. And another 2 bumps. And one more curve across the bottom. Then underneath, let's draw 2 lines down. Now to finish off the head, let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve across. And then one more smaller one on top. And that's it for the head. Now let's add the body. Let's start underneath the neck here on the left and let's draw a curve down towards the center. And the same thing on the right side, but let's bring it out further like this. Now let's hop back up and let's draw a curve out and in on the left. And the same thing on the right side. Now from the end of each of these lines, let's bring it down to the bottom with a wavy line. And let's make the right one a little bit shorter like this. Now from the bottom, let's draw 2 curves out to the right. and close off the end with a bump down. Now let's do the same thing on the left. Let's draw 2 curves out. And then a bump down. Now that we've added the fur, let's hop back up and let's add the sides of the body. Let's start near the top and let's draw a wavy line down on each side. Now we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw some details on the fur. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw some scribbled lines like this to create some dots. And let's continue it all the way down. And that's it for the body. Now let's hop out and draw the hands. On each side, let's draw a curve up. And another curve underneath. Now underneath from the inside, let's draw a bump down and up for the thumbs. Now let's add the next finger next to it with a longer curve. Another finger next to this one. And then starting from the top, let's bring it down and over to close off each hand. And that's it for Queenie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!